reporting it to the office. Is there something for the building or management?
So how many clients do we have today?
How many clients? I'm not sure.
What time are they scheduled for?
I'm not sure.
What time are the clients scheduled for today? And what kind of dental work would they be getting done? What prices? I would have to have the same answers for you then. If you're not, you want to come out and ask questions and you don't want to share any information, that doesn't make sense. Okay, you have a good one. No emergency lights, no nothing.
No, I know. What a egg. Oh, he just put his emergency lights on. Right on. Good for you, buddy.
Hey fellas, how's it going? Just to let you know, I'm recording as well on body worn camera, alright? I just know you guys are on the sidewalk here and there's no issues.
What's your name and badge number?
It's right here on my desk.
What's your name and badge number?
It's COM403449.
COM403449.
Just to let you know, you're okay to record here on this sidewalk, but beyond this sidewalk, once you get onto private property, then you're trespassing, alright? So
You haven't committed no crime, I don't want to hear this.
So this is private property.
No, you haven't committed crime.
No,
Publicly accessible.
you're 100% right, you haven't,
So
okay?
don't come up here. If you're going to lie, just get locked in your car. If you want to have a normal conversation, do that. Don't come here saying
No one's lying, alright? So, you understand what you've been doing today, going around and whatnot, trying to get the police call.
I don't need your directives. I know how to work. I don't tell you how to do your job. You're not going to tell me how to do mine.
I'm not asking you.
What's your name and badge number? Don't cover it, please. What is it? I can't read it. My eyes aren't that great. What is it?
Baldini 3495.
Baldini 3495.
I'll say it very clearly for you. Here on the sidewalk, you're okay. You go onto the property,
I don't care.
you're
I
trespassing.
don't care. You can't trespass me for not committing a crime, you idiot. What the fuck is wrong with you?
And don't take your fish out of water. Don't fry bacon naked. You know, don't like that. Keep it up, dude.
The sidewalk, you're okay.
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah. No.
Left foot on the left foot, the right foot on the right foot. Go to work.
You're not here to enforce feelings. It's laws.
All this shit I heard.
Your whole department is filled with tyrants. Tyrants.
Just go to work, man. Go solve some crime. How about that?
Boy, they sent 2 sergeants out for cameras? Jesus Christ. You guys must be swamped with work. Swamped.
Can I help you with anything?
Pardon?
Was there a particular reason you were filming the store, or?
Yes, there is, actually.
Okay. What would that be?
I'm not going to get into it. Just a personal reason.
Okay. You're just making my customers a little uncomfortable.
I can't help that.
Okay.
You have 2 cameras right up there. Did those make them uncomfortable?
Well, those are for our store, so
Yeah, this is
it's
mine.
a little bit different when someone is just filming somewhere.
This is for me and what I do, so that's
okay.
all. Nothing to it.
Pretty odd. You're probably a little bit more versed in it than I am.
At your age, you should know that we all have rights. I'm not bothering people. Just
Or
taking
bothering
pictures.
my customers.
Who cares? It's not my problem.
Whoa.
When people get all butthurt, that ain't my problem.
Yeah, for sure. Because I was met with.
I'll tell you right now, it's other people's feelings equate 0 into your rights. No joke. So you think your feelings outweigh my rights? I'm just asking a question. Or the people that were shopping here earlier, do you think that their feelings should dictate what I do on a day-to-day basis?
Sorry, this is mine.
I didn't.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
If you think so.
Got stuff to do. What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on? What's going on with you?
Nothing. We're just here. The store owner here, they had some current concerns, so they're just making sure everything's okay.
Name and badge number first.
Yep, it's PC Preston, badge number 16163.
Preston 16163, and you
Yeah.
are
PC Mitchell 16877.
Mitchell with a T. And what was your badge number? Sorry.
16877.
16877.
Yeah.
Right on.
Is everything okay?
Everything's perfectly fine.
Okay, you're just making a documentary, or?
I don't get into why I'm recording. I'm just recording.
Okay. Okay, so you're not like in the business or anything?
I haven't been in there. Nope.
Okay. Are you from Finland? Are you just in the area?
I don't answer those types of questions.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll go talk to the store owner here.
Sure.
Okay?
A lot of you guys for a dude with a camera.
I just happen to be in the area.
All right.
Yeah, we just want to make sure everything's okay, right? Like
Yeah.
right now, you're not in any trouble right now, right?
Oh, I
We
know
just
that.
want to make sure that everything's.
I'm
good.
aware of my rights.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's good.
And sorry, who are you, by the way?
So who am I?
Yeah.
Officer Lynch.
Lynch. Lynch, and your badge number?
13772.
13772. Are you all out of Lindsay?
Yeah.
City of Fort Lakes.
Yeah.
So they don't have they used to have an outpost here somewhere, didn't they? Like right next to the
Yes.
liquor store, I think.
There's a sub office, or a former sub office, over on the other side of Francis Street,
Okay.
but it was not cost effective to keep it open.
Yeah. No, I know. It gets pretty quiet in the winter.
Yeah. Yeah. I wish it was still there. That would be convenient, but
A little closer.
yeah.
It's a nice little town.
Yeah. Somewhere to go to the washroom at least. That'd be nice.
She's still expecting somebody to
Yeah.
chat with her. Did you get his information?
No, I haven't yet. I just.
Did she get what from me?
Your information.
Oh God, no. No, she's not going to get it either.
How come?
I don't want to give it. I'm not doing anything illegal. Oh, so you think I'm doing something illegal? What would that
I would
be?
question what your motives are. Like, are you posting this on social media?
I don't answer questions.
Hey, sir, we're not here to cause any issues, right? We're just
Me
trying to
either.
make sure that you're not causing.
But I have rights as well.
So,
And-
so do the customers that are coming and going from the store.
yeah. Do you think that I'm violating their rights in some fashion?
It's a bit intimidating, right?
Yeah.
How so? There's 6 cameras on this building. That's kind of intimidating. You know what I mean? People are, I find people are pretty snowflakey these days when it comes to somebody taking pictures. And I'm not kidding. That is the term I would use. People lose their when you point a camera anywhere. And they're like, oh, well, I don't want to be in it. Touch.
Would you believe that the call details that we get aren't always exactly what is transpired?
Yeah.
And that is why we come and we investigate. We ask questions.
Yep.
Yeah. Because
But
we
you-
have
You
to.
can appreciate that, right?
But you also have to understand that customers' rights to privacy don't exist on a public sidewalk or anywhere visible from public. That is true. That is 100% Canadian law. And I just didn't like the way you put that out there, that A, the customers have rights, and B, they said I was following somebody
you don't like
around.
that the customers
Because you know
have
that does have that has the overtones of the harassment charge, which is
So, like my partner said, sometimes the call details that we get aren't always the truth, and a lot of the times they're not. Right? That's why we come and we.
Then don't
investigate.
elaborate, maybe,
And-
because I didn't follow anyone around.
And now
Every
we're
time
here.
we go to say something, you interrupt us.
Yeah. And now that we're here, obviously you're not following anybody around right now, right? So I have no reason to believe that that's what you're doing. However, you standing outside of here is making some people uncomfortable. So we need to address that, right? So
Are you guys the feelings police? Is that what you do? You enforce somebody's feelings? Or do you guys enforce laws and uphold rights?
a bit of both,
No,
right? So-
absolutely not. You are not feelings police. You are law enforcement officers, Leos. You don't enforce feelings. I was telling that lady the same thing. Their feelings mean zero to me. As adults, they should have control over their feelings, right?
Yes.
And if somebody's holding a camera and you feel some way about it, it's not on the guy holding the camera. It's on you for having such poor control of your feelings.
Okay, so sir, what's your plan today? Are you going to stay out here all day? and film
I don't
the
answer
building?
questions like that.
Okay, well, you seem to have a lot of
I don't.
questions for us, and you don't really
Yeah, I
want to
do.
answer anything.
There's three OPP. Guys probably make about 150 to 170 grand a year,
So,
and it's for not a crime. And it's actually worrisome to me that you think you do a little bit of feelings and a little bit of law, and this guy thinks that there's feelings involved. There is no feelings involved in law. I'm not here yelling. I'm not harassing or following. I'm going down the street. I was taking some pictures.
so sir, that's why we're being respectful with you.
Oh yeah,
right?
me too. I am.
Yeah.
I could be a lot worse. And it's well within my rights to be worse.
Okay.
I just don't
Well,
like
why
being...
don't I'll go chat with the.
Am
store
I being
owner here.
detained?
No.
No.
I'm-
Good. Okay, I'll wait until you guys are leaving then.
Yeah, she just wanted something from the bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm going to carry on.
Take it easy, Officer Lynch.
Super bright out. Nice day, eh?
Yeah, it is. It's what I don't understand in a tourist town is people lose their minds over a camera.
Yeah. I know this town gets really busy in the summer.
Oh yeah, I
months.
know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a dead zone.
Especially like right along that road on the weekends or in a long weekend. It's
Oh,
a
yeah,
beautiful place
it's
to be.
Crazy. Oh yeah, it is so nice. But it's
Yeah.
funny how it goes from like so populated to this time of year to nobody come winter.
Oh yeah.
It's
No,
like-
I've lived in the neighborhood
Oh yeah.
and I've seen this place in the winter and it's
It's strange.
It's
eh?
quiet.
Yeah, it's a different place come winter.
And just to be clear, I'm not here to bother anybody, but one thing I wanted to be very clear on is nobody's feelings outweigh my rights, especially in this instance, unless I'm going into their property or causing a disturbance, like yelling at them, calling them names and stuff. And I wasn't.
No.
I was actually down at that end. I missed you two show up. I saw the other guy show up, so I came back.
Yeah. No worries. And I didn't. We certainly didn't intend to like make you like accuse you of those things. Like we're just coming to make sure everything's okay, right? And obviously you're not causing a disturbance. You're not threatening anybody.
I know
you're
the
allowed
law.
to be on the side. Yeah, you're a smart guy, right? We just need to make sure when somebody makes a complaint like that there's not a dispute going on, right?
Oh yeah.
So
Well, even if there was a dispute, those again, you show up, you see what's going on. As long as it doesn't turn violent or into screaming and hollering and causing a huge disturbance, and there's really not much you can do. That's again, it comes down to feelings, right?
You're a smart guy. You know it. So yeah.
I know the law.
Yeah. And you obviously know like they don't want you here. So I would just stay off their deck, right? And
I didn't go on there.
Yeah.
I have no intention of entering anybody's property.
Okay. Perfect. That's what we want to hear.
And
All right.
yeah, no, that's it.
An auditor sets up on a public sidewalk outside a dental office where treatment chairs sit directly against the front windows. It doesn't take long before employees come outside demanding answers about why he's filming. The auditor declines to explain, points out that questions aren't obligations, and continues recording. Before long, police arrive with emergency lights activated. The first officer delivers the usual explanation. Filming from a public sidewalk isn't a crime, but entering private property after being told to leave could result in a trespass warning. The auditor makes it clear he has no intention of stepping onto private property, and as additional officers arrive, the tone begins to calm down. Police confirm that the sidewalk is public space, that no laws are being broken, and that their role is simply to address the concerns raised by the businesses. No detention, no identification demand, and no criminal investigation that a nearby business owner also voices concerns, claiming customers feel intimidated by the camera. The auditor responds by pointing out the numerous security cameras already recording the area and argues that anything visible from a public location can generally be observed and recorded from that same location. By the end of the encounter, officers reiterate that there is no offense and no basis for enforcement action. The businesses maintain control over their private property, but not over the public sidewalk beyond it. The interaction ends without citations, arrests, or trespass orders. Bottom line, cameras aren't crimes. Recording from a public sidewalk is generally lawful, and exercising a right isn't the same thing as breaking a law. Another encounter comes to a close with no charges filed, no rights violated, and a few misconceptions corrected along the way. Let's keep going.
And she just went and got security.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not so bad. Can I just ask what you're doing?
I'm filming.
You're filming, and for what purpose?
My own.
Do you work at CBC?
Do I look like I work at CBC?
Then you're obstructing privacy.
I'm obstructing privacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd like for you to move along your way, please.
Absolutely not.
All right. Do you want me to call the authorities?
If you feel it's necessary, you go right on ahead.
I definitely can, and I also have you on camera, sir.
What's your guard number there, dude?
My card number, sorry, it is my license number. Would you like it?
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, it is 1127 4501. Did you get that on camera?
11274501.
Yep.
Awesome.
All right. Thank you for your time, sir.
Yep.
I'd really like for you to not be filming here because it's against our policy. We're building policies here, and I can't call the authorities right now.
If you feel it's necessary, you go right on ahead.
All right.
I'm going to finish up what I'm doing.
All right. Thank you. I have you on camera.
Absolutely. Yeah, I got you on camera too.
Sorry, what's your name?
I didn't give it.
What's your name?
I didn't give it.
Can you provide your name?
No.
Can you provide your name?
To a security guard? No.
012 control. I'd like a vehicle removal at Wellington.
You just called me a vagrant?
Yes, an undesirable individual at this time.
Yeah. You should dress a little nicer before you start calling people vagrants, dude.
Is your uniform registered?
Huh?
Is your uniform registered? Are you a private investigator? What are you doing?
Registrar. What the fuck is a registrar?
Okay, yeah, thank you.
I don't understand what you're even saying there. Nice ponytail, vagrant. Call me a vagrant again.
So once again, we're going to request that you leave our property because you are on our property and we can enact the trespass to property.
I'm on
act.
your property, eh?
Yeah.
You guys own the public sidewalk?
We are agents of the public, but also
You are
this
not
private
agents.
property.
Yeah, this public sidewalk is
This
private property.
You're under the overhang. If you want to step across the street, you can be a part of Metro Hall's property.
Yeah, you can eat it, dude. I'm not
Thank
moving
you.
anywhere.
Thank you for keeping that on your record. Where are you posting this?
Wherever I want.
I just want more information. Where are you posting
You don't
this?
get more information. Call me a vagrant, dude? Seriously?
Yeah, you're undesirable on our property right now. You're
Yeah.
filming
On your property.
You're filming our
So
patrons.
your thing goes all the way out. This is a public
I don't think you
sidewalk.
understand. I just said underneath. Did you hear my words properly?
Yeah, it's not under. Who are you? I want your guard card too.
No,
The
you don't
number?
have to provide anything.
Guard card, yes. You
don't have
guys,
to provide anything.
yes, you do.
He won't provide
Under
his name.
under the Private Investigators and Security Act of 2005, whenever a guy asks,
You did not
you-
identify yourself as a private
I don't.
investigator.
No, I'm not.
Then
You're
get
a
off of our property.
You're a security guard,
Then get off of our property.
guard card, and guard card. I
Get
need
off of our
both of
property.
your numbers.
You guys can both stand back.
No, dude, you'll lose your job. I'll go to the Ministry of the Attorney General and report each of you for not providing your guard card. Any citizen asks you for your guard
provided
card.
mine, they act under me.
Yeah.
Now, you can
I don't
leave our
give a shit
property,
about
or
you.
I can enact the Trespass to Property Act. What would you like?
Go and act your trespass to property act.
01 to control. You can go for a call to non-emergency TPS, and we'll see how long it takes.
They're not coming.
Yeah,
It's a public
we'll stand
sidewalk,
right here
bro.
with you and make you feel very comfortable, sir.
Sure, no problem. And you two, you should identify, because you're going to lose your jobs over this. Garda World Security, you know that act. It depends on you giving your guard card number. And you're hiding it underneath that little
Can I
lapel.
see your camera?
You're hiding it under your lapel.
Yeah, it's part of our building policy that you're gonna have to delete that footage anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try to enact your own rules if you'd like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not part of your building policy.
What are you a part of?
The public.
The public.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're public. You've also been identified at CTV as a suspicious individual.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose your
Yeah,
job.
so
Do you
when
want to
we're
lose your
watching-
job? Just give me your guard card number. It's that easy, bro. No joke. And you're gonna lose your job too. The Ministry of the Attorney
Is that
General
true?
takes this very, very seriously. Are you kidding me?
That's not true.
So
but
you're Jesus. You just look like you woke up. Did you smoking dope in the back? Like,
Are you a joke, buddy?
yeah. Look at you, man. You literally look like you just crawled out of bed. And you're
Get off of our property. We're asking you one more time, or the TPS is gonna come and remove you.
get the TPS.
I'm
Call the
waiting.
TPS.
We're gonna go wait for them then.
Yeah. Okay. Last chance for the guard card, boys. No? Fucking guys. Idiots.
在哪实习？
I'll bet you money they don't remove me. I'll bet you $100. You sure you don't want to? Okay, 113-11143. Awesome, bro. You can't hold that back from people, okay? One thing you got to understand is that
That's okay, man. Don't talk to me. Just
You-
want you
you-
to leave,
you-
but I don't want to deal with this.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, you got to deal with it because I'm calling. You know what I'm gonna do?
Go ahead,
I'm gonna show the Ministry of the Attorney General and Garda World. It's Garda World. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing both those people your behavior and your other buddy there calling me a vagrant.
Sure.
So
You do what you have to do, man.
you're gonna lose your job over it,
Sure, man.
or you're gonna have a huge fine. They will not renew your guard license over that. Just so you know.
Have a good day, man.
You guys cross at a crosswalk? That's awesome.
As long as he's not on your property, you can get that done. Okay, no, that's fine. Yeah. So is he not welcome on the property? So as long as he stays off your property, yeah, he's free to do what he wants with that camera. Alright. Yeah. Hi.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm well.
So-
Just a name and badge number first.
Sure. It's McLean.
Yeah.
MAC and badge is 82124.
It's Regier 77135.
Regier 77135. Awesome. I heard what you said, so
Okay.
I appreciate you standing up for me. I was actually just here taking a picture, and they came out, called me a vagrant, and said I had to go. And I'm like, okay, so now I got to stick around, right? So, yeah.
You want to see this through?
No, you know what? I never run from you guys. I never would. It makes it seem like I've done something wrong. So, and you guys know me. I'm sure you know who I am.
You are well?
Huh?
How are you today? Are you
I'm doing
well?
excellent. Yeah, excellent. Ooh. The most awkward U-turn ever.
That was hard to watch.
It was. You know what was cool? You guys used the crosswalk? Holy smokes, man. I couldn't believe that. I've never seen an officer use a crosswalk. They just bolt right across the street.
It's a street.
It is. Oh, yeah. I wouldn't do it. No, I appreciate you guys. Really do.
All right.
You know
Take
what?
care. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And you too, sir.
This audit outside CBC in downtown Toronto turns into a textbook example of the difference between company policy and actual law. While filming from a public sidewalk, the auditor is approached by security guards who immediately demand that he leave. They insist that building policy prohibits recording, claim the covered sidewalk area is private property, and even radio in a request to have him removed as a vagrant at TO1 guard's credit. He provides his license number when asked. Others, however, refuse to identify themselves or produce their guard credentials despite repeated requests. The discussion quickly shifts to property lines, with security threatening trespass action under the Trespass to Property Act while maintaining that the sidewalk beneath the overhang belongs to the building. The auditor stands his ground, declines to provide identification, refuses to engage with policy arguments, and makes it clear that he has no intention of stepping onto private property. Instead, he continues recording from what he believes to be a public right-of-way and asks security to properly identify themselves. Eventually, police are called to the scene. When officers arrive, they focus on the one issue that actually matters, where the property line begins and ends. After clarifying the boundaries, they explain that as long as the auditor remains on public property, he is free to record. There's no detention, no trespass order, and no demand to stop filming. In the end, the encounter wraps up exactly the way it should. Building policies do not override Canadian law, and activities taking place on a public sidewalk are not governed by private company preferences. The officers keep the discussion centered on rights and property boundaries rather than emotions or assumptions. No charges, no citations, and no enforcement action. Just a reminder that public spaces remain public, cameras are not crimes, and understanding the difference between policy and law can prevent a lot of unnecessary conflict. Credit to the responding officers for handling the situation professionally and keeping the interaction focused on the facts. And let's keep going.
What's your name and your position? Because I don't like your attitude. Sir, can you identify, please? Roland Garcia. What are you doing,
Don't
sir?
get close to me. You can take all the video you want. Don't get close to me. You got close to me. Don't get close to me.
What are you doing to? What are you doing?
Don't get close to me.
Relax, bro.
No, don't tell me what to do. You can film all you want, but don't get close to me.
What's wrong with you, bro? Relax. I'm trying to file a complaint on you. I want to file a complaint on you.
You file all the complaints you want. Don't get close
What
to
are
me.
you doing, bro? Relax, bro.
That's all I'm telling
You're
you.
being disorderly.
He's got some friend in that's got some paperwork that's in.
You don't know what disorderly is, man.
You are being disorderly.
Okay.
Right. So
What's your name so I can file a complaint on you?
You already saw it, didn't you?
There. Watch how you talk to me, bro. Watch how you treat me, bro. You're unprofessional. I'm here on official business.
Yeah, you're an official. What's your official business?
I'm here to pick up a cell phone.
What's your official business?
I have
Are you an
a-
official?
I have
Are you
a-
an official of what?
I
You're
have
an
a-
official of what? What are you an
Is he
official
outside?
of?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tomar's gonna bring it down and give it to him outside.
You're an official
Okay.
of what? What are you an official of?
I explained
What?
everything to you. I'm here to pick up a
Tomar's gonna
phone.
bring it down and give it to him.
Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint? Sir, can I have your name to file a complaint?
Complaint for what?
Because you guys are being discourteous and unprofessional. Can I have your name, please, to file a complaint?
Nobody's disrespected you.
Yes, sir, he did.
And
You have to identify by state law. What's your name, sir?
Listen, don't come here antagonizing us.
I'm not antagonizing. I'm here on official business, and you guys are giving me attitude. Can I have your name, please?
Listen, I'm being cordial with you, man.
Yes, I want you're being cordial, but you want to
I'm not
identify.
gonna be subject to your shenanigans.
I'm not shenanigans. I'm asking for your name to file a complaint.
Tamayo's gonna be here. Give your friend his phone outside.
I would like to file an official complaint on you, sir. And can I have your name? You'll throw it in my face, but you won't identify. Now, I have a question. Can I film here, yes or no? If not, I'll turn off my camera.
Well, turn it off.
Problem.
Bro, you're the one getting near me, bro. You're the one getting near me.
Let's do this.
You're getting near me.
Let's go. Come on. Get near me.
You're getting near me. You're getting near me, sir.
Come on.
I have everything on camera.
All day
you
long.
see who's getting near me? Look, I'm gonna take a step back.
Oh, there you go.
That's smart.
He's the one getting near me, bro.
Don't film any of the people.
Do that again.
Ooh.
Again?
Ooh.
You see? Unprofessional government employees.
Then again, let me see your ID.
Yes, sir. I'm here on official business. Wait, this motion is from my friend that's outside, not from me. He wants to come in to pick up his property, but he wants to talk to Tamayo first.
There's no talking. I'm just gonna give him the phone.
Okay. He wants to file a complaint, though. I want to file a complaint. Why are you getting close to me? You see? He tells me not to get close to him. I walk away and he gets close to me. I don't want any problems, sir, please. I just want to pick up the phone and leave. We went to the police station and they said that they don't have it. So that's why we came over here. But we don't want to be here. The judge signed it because they released the phone. It's right across the street.
I'm asking you, where's the signature?
If you want, I could bring Joey inside.
No, I'm just saying, where's the signature from the judge, though? There's no signature from the judge.
I'm telling you, it's certified.
But there's no signature from a judge on it.
I believe there is, sir.
I'm looking at it, man.
Well, this came from Judge Treywick. We will not falsify documents. Are you accusing us of falsifying documents? No, I'm saying, are you accusing us of a crime? Are you accusing me of a crime?
I don't see a judge signature here. It has a judge name.
Sir, it needs to be. It has to have the signature before it gets before you get the certified stamp. It has to be signed by the judge.
You want to show me where the judge signature is?
Sir, I'm just explaining to you. I don't want to be I feel like you're being disrespectful to me, sir. I'm just showing you the paper. Look how he laughs like a little girl. Keep giggling like a little girl. That's what you're doing. You're being very unprofessional, sir.
Wait a minute. You just called me a little girl. So who's being disrespectful right now? Who's being disrespectful right now?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
Why don't you answer?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
So, you're the one that's just disrespectful.
Sir, can you please step back? Please, I'm asking you to step back, please. Please, I'm asking you to step back. I'm trying to be very nice to you guys. I just came here for official business. I don't want any problems.
Is there a judge signature on it?
There's no judge's signature.
Sir, are you accusing me of a crime? Then charge me, please. If you're accusing me of a crime, please charge me. We'll go back to the judge. I'll show the judge this video, and he'll sign another order. I promise you.
All right, well, I think he might have to go sign another order and come back on Monday.
All right, but you told me to wait for tomorrow, right?
Yeah, but there's no need. There's no judge signature.
Sir, listen, I don't want to do this again. Can we just get it over with now so we don't have to do this again?
Yeah, take a little bit. Okay. Does this require a judge's signature?
That's a motion for return of property. I'm sorry.
Does this require a judge's signature?
This guy's crazy. If you guys want me to leave the building, tell me and I'll leave the building. Am I being trespassed? But you told me to wait for tomorrow.
Apparently, I'm reading this paperwork. There's no judge signature in there.
Sir, it's certified. Okay. Can I speak to your boss, please? Can I speak to a supervisor?
There's a supervisor right here.
Yeah, that's why they showed it to him.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the judge's courtroom. If he signs it, can I come back? The judge is across the street.
According to him, who's also an attorney, he's saying that's.
We went to the police department. We went to the police department. They say they don't have it.
Okay, yeah, he says that you need to go back to the judge, have him sign it.
All right, ma'am. And who are you? Because you don't have a uniform or a badge. Can I have your name?
Investigator Schuster.
Thank you.